Good morning, mission friends. My name's Kevin. Ryan's holding the camera. We're about to head out and pass out some swag, some cool Cookeville Rescue Mission stuff. We're going to be giving away some t-shirts. Thanks to our friends at Zimmer Broadcasting, we're going to give away some basketball tickets for Tennessee Tech. On January the 2nd, we got a cool DVD from the Cookeville Rescue Mission, some bumper stickers, some can koozies. We're just going to catch people being about God's business. I'm Dennis Fine, ready for hope.
We're Mount Pleasant Church, and we bring for hope. We're the leaves, and we bring for hope.
I'm David.
I'm Pam. I'm Abby.
We're from Avert Express.
We bring for hope.
Every time a bell rings, an angel gets his wings. This year you can be an angel too. Help the Cookeville Rescue Mission bring hope to the families of the Upper Cumberland this holiday season. To find out how you can help, go to cookevillerescuemission.org. That's the sound of hope.